Hi there, my name is Becky, aka the Mocha Foodie Gardener and Rise Gardens Ambassador. When I'm planning which herbs I want to grow in my Rise garden, I typically think about using them in an herbal tea or other dishes like in a marinara sauce or salads or to season meats. But herbs aren't just limited to that. Herbs can also be used in baking. Whether it's cookies or bread products, herbs are great at adding a savory sweet element to your dishes. I recently began experimenting with different ways to make savory sweet herb cookies. You're going to start off with your favorite sugar cookie recipe and simply mix in herbs like rosemary and thyme, or even consider using lemon basil instead. They pair very well with any type of herbal tea. One of my other favorite treats that I like a lot are what we call in my home apple-filled dough knots. If you're a busy person like me who's always on the go, you'll want to skip the time and effort of mixing your own dough and pick any pre-made dough from the grocery store. Pinch off a few pieces, roll them out, and then cut up a few Granny Smith apples. Or you can grab a can of apple pie filling and infuse it with your favorite herbs. For this particular recipe, I chose to use rosemary with apples. I let it simmer on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once that's done, I add a small amount of the filling to the center of my dough. I fold over the sides, crimp the edges with a fork, and within a few minutes, you have your very own rosemary apple dough knots. You might also like to try sage and peaches or cranberry and thyme. Herbs pair beautifully with fresh fruits, and experimenting with different flavors is lots of fun. Since we're using shortcuts, another suggestion that I have for a quick and easy flatbread is to get a simple dough sheet. You can find it at almost any grocery store. Again, you can make fresh dough as well, but in both instances, you can roll out your herbs right onto the dough once the dough is ready. Slide it in the oven, brush it with a bit of melted butter once it's all done, and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.